don't know if you guys can hear that, but that is a loud vibrating sound. It's not the engine. As you can see, at the motor, when I rev it up, it doesn't increase. I'm thinking that that's a rear wheel bearing, and it's probably about ready to snap off. Let's go back to the garage and put the car up and see what we can find. Alright, so we're in the garage, and I got it in the air, and we spun this side. We took the brakes off so there's no drag at all. I spun this. Nice and quiet, nice and smooth. Spun the other side, and it was a little bit growly. So we started taking it apart, and I apologize for not filming, but we had to get the bearing out. So did the same thing, took the brake caliper off, spun it, it was growly, and what we found out was the bearing's toast. You can see it, it's burnt up, it's toast, and we need to replace it. And when I went to take it off, it came apart. That's the inner race from the back side. It didn't want to slide off, so I had to use my wheel pull, which was no big deal. Just put the wheel pull on here, and it popped off relatively easy. And what I did was, so far, is I wire wheeled and cleaned this all up and hit it with brake clean. So it's all set and ready for the new bearing. And we're in the process of calling the part store right now to see if they have it in stock. New wheel hub, that's the part number. The old one's in there. My son is going to finish this off. And I installed the new one. Basically, just slid it on. The bearings are already in it, and it's torqued to 129 foot-pounds. And that's pretty much it. I already installed the dust cap. So next, we're going to put the dust shield on, and we'll start with that. Alright, now we gotta put the rotor on. I cleaned it all up with a wire wheel, front and back, so it sits flush. I took a flapper disc and I knocked off all the heavy rust on here. We just gotta hit it with some brake clean real quick, and we're gonna throw that on. All back together, caliper's on, brake pads are in, everything's done. Getting ready to put the wheel on, spins nice. Should be all set. Took it for a ride, no more noise. Quick video. Didn't record a lot of it, but gives you guys an idea how to fix a wheel hub. Pretty simple. Dodge Dart seems to be falling apart on us, but still a decent car. We own it outright, and we're gonna keep fixing it. So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more content on different things, ATV, UTV, cars, and such. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.